Hello everyone, it's Julie with the Happy Vintage Shopper, and I am coming in with a new haul video. So I went to 3 different places over the last week. Went to my 2 honey hole places, and one day I will tell you where those are. And then I went to the Goodwill in Janesville on yesterday before I went to Best of Janesville at my booth and restocked it and checked on things, and things are selling there too. So if you haven't already checked out the Best of Janesville and the Best of Beloit, please do. Okay, so which one should I do first? Okay, so remember when I got these in 3 separate piles, still in the boxes I brought them home in, still wrapped. I have no idea what I'm pulling out. I will remember once I pull it out, but remember, I really don't remember what's in the bag. So, oh yes. Okay, so this is from the honey hole spot in my local town, a little thrift store. I did not get much there. And I'll show you what happened. I had a little accident, but anyway. So I got this. So this is this is a little Noritake dish, and I know this has a purpose, but for the life of me, I can't think of what it would have been for. Isn't it pretty? It's got a, it looks like it's a poppy, or maybe. Yeah, I think it's a poppy. But it is Noritake. I paid $1 for it. Pretty. Be really pretty, maybe with a candle on it, sitting on a table. So I got that. Excuse me. Woo. And then, so, the last time I bought one of these at my little honey hole spot, it did really well on eBay. So I bought another one. This is a little Sony handheld radio. So I paid $2.50 for this one. Now last time I only paid $1.25, but this one I paid $2.50 for. And I think I sold the last one for like $16 or $18 on eBay. So this one this one has a little antenna, which is kind of cool. So this is a Sony. It's a great brand. Not as old as the other one, but I'm sure it works great. And then I got the Schwan. So this I paid $3 for. I paid a little bit more for this, but it is California pottery. It's made in the USA. It's really cute. It's a planter. I thought that was cute. Little Schwan. Awesome. And then I found there was 2 of these, and I was so excited because they're Hager. And I picked it up, and I went to turn it, and I hit the other one, and I broke it. I broke it. I broke it in the store. So I'm going to try and fix it. I won't be able to resell it. I'll keep it, unless someone's interested in it, you know, repaired. But I had to pay $9.50 for this. They didn't give me a discount. I broke it. I get it. But isn't it cool? It's a blue... It's like a Tiffany blue bird. It looks like it might be a pheasant or something with a broken tail now, Julie. I was so mad. The other one did have a broken tail that was repaired. I wouldn't have bought that one. But I ended up buying one with a broken tail anyway. What are you going to do? What are you going to do? I don't know. So I took it up to the counter and told them, and they're like, okay. I'm like, okay. Anyway, so that's what I got there. Like I said, it wasn't much. I don't even think I spent $20, but so I got a few things, which is good. And then I went to my other honey hole place, and I started rifling around. Wait a minute. Oh, This is more than I got at that same place. I got more than I thought. So I picked up this wool skirt. It is vintage. But the cool thing about it is it's wool. It is Pendleton. Now I picked up a Pendleton black skirt, plaid skirt from the same place right at Christmas time. And I paid $4 for it, and I think I sold it for $25 on eBay. This one probably won't sell for as much because it's just plain gray, but I'm pretty sure I can still get like 20 bucks for it. So I got that. I'm gonna sneeze. And then I started, you know, I've heard that band t-shirts, like retro 90s, 80s and 90s band t-shirts are really collectible on eBay. So I picked this up. Oh, these are from the Goodwill. I'm getting confused here. Anyway, so I picked these up. This is a Maroon 5 band shirt that I'll throw this up on eBay. And then I got this. This is like a racing, no, is this racing? No, fight, like a American Fighter Division. These are collectible. I did look up comps on this one. I think I paid $4 for this one. This one I did get at Goodwill. I'm not sure if I went. Oh, you know what? I went to Goodwill and this is the only two things I got. So I threw these in the box. And then I got this for Valentine's Day. I thought this would be fun. This mug. I paid 50 cents for it. Yeah, I paid 50 cents for this. It's not really like a brand that I recognize. But I thought it was kind of fun. 50 cents. Screams Valentine's Day. So I got that. And then oh man, my allergies, man. I got a couple. I've been doing really well with bone china teacups and saucers. So I picked up this one. It's got a rose on it. I just love that sound. I just love the sound of the teacup on the saucer. So this was $1.50. It is fine bone china, Royal Sutherland, made in England. So it's got a rose on it. So pretty, great condition, no chips or cracks. But I've been selling these like crazy on eBay. I'll sell this for probably between 15 and 19. Isn't that crazy? But it's so pretty. So I got that. And then let's see what else I got in here. Oh, this is a mustache mug. So when you have a mustache, it protects your mustache when you take a drink. And I forget what that raised gold gilding is called. I can't think of the name of it right now, but isn't this pretty? It's got a real pretty blue. It's got a flower on it. Paid $2 for it. There are no markings on the bottom, but I didn't care because I thought it was super pretty. So I got that. I got another teacup. Listen. Yeah, I love it. Got another teacup. Goes like this, I think. Isn't that pretty? Pretty. So this is Bethany, made in England, fine bone china. Look at the inside. It's got a cute little flower in there. But I thought it was pretty. Did I tell you what I got for? I paid $1.50 for this one as well. And then I got these two little blue votive cups. These were $1 each. They do have the Ponto mark on the bottom, so they're hand blown, but a real pretty blue. I love this blue. Aren't these pretty? Good time of year for the blue is right after Christmas and the winter, like this January, February. But yeah, I really thought these were pretty with votives in them. I'm sure that the light, or in a windowsill, these would be real pretty. So I got those. And then I went to my other honey hole place and I kind of hit the animal jackpot, okay? But I got this This is a Eddie Bauer cashmere sweater, cotton and cashmere for myself. Yeah. How much should I pay for this? $1.50. But I thought it was nice. That's for me. And then I picked up this little guy. This was 50 cents. This will go in my little display. And this little, this is a handkerchief. Isn't it cute? This was 75 cents. This was 50 cents. I mean, why not? And then I saw these vintage plaques. These are Hallmark. I looked them up, comps on eBay, and they are collectible. People do collect these. This one's from, does it say what year? This one doesn't say the year. Oh yeah, it does, right on the front. 1972, and it says, "A friend always listens with love." I paid 20 cents for this. Isn't that crazy? This is another plaque. This one says, "Have an easy breezy day." How cute. 20 cents. This one is I gotta use my bifocals, 1980. So this one's 1980. This one's 1972. Super cute. I'll throw those up on eBay. Unless you're interested, remember, anything that you see here, if you're interested, just email me at happyvintageshopper@gmail.com and we will talk. So then I found a hole in the back, in like the room. They had like a whole crazy amount of animals. Look at all these, a whole bunch of puppies. Like a whole bunch of puppies. So they are Home Co, which is home interiors in case you don't know. But I got all of these little puppies. And what's great about it is some of them are in sets. So I'll be able to sell like a couple of them in little sets, which is really fun. They are collectible. I did look them up. This one stands alone, but this is puppy or mama and a baby puppy. They're cute. I think I paid $1 each for them. I can definitely double or triple my money for sure. But here's a set. Look at these guys. How cute are they? Look at them. So I paid $1 each. Yep, they're Home Co. How cute. So here's the Home Co sticker, or Home Interiors, I think is what it's, what remember back in the day, Home Interiors, anybody? So I was like so excited because these little figurines, look at these two match. Look at these. Aren't they cute? So sweet. These really sell well. Both at Best of Janesville at my booth. And then also on eBay. Oh, these are triples. These all three go together. 1, 2, and 3. So I'll sell those all as a set. And oh, this little guy, does he go with them too? He's got a little shoe. How cute. Cute. Okay, I think that was that. And then I picked up this planter. So it appears to be the Blessed Mother. And it does have a sticker on the bottom. I did look it up. It is collectible. I can get between $12 and $15 for this on eBay, and I paid 50 cents for it. She's very, very pretty. Very pretty. This is a planter. Very pretty. Sweet. The eyelashes are very, very nice. And then I found these. These are my wild card. Remember, I always have a wild card pretty much when I go. I just take a chance on something. So I found these resin. I got 2 of them. They're the same. And they say Brave Buffalo, and they do have a signature on the side, and I did look them up, and they are collectible. I paid $1.50 each for them. I can probably get between $20 to $25 for each of them. And I believe it says Herrero 1992. And then it is numbered on the back. So yeah, I grabbed both of them because why not, right? So I'll throw these up on eBay. Unless you're interested, let me know. We will talk if you are. And then I got this mug. Oh, my nose. And then I got this mug. So this is a, oops, this one I got at my little honey hole place. It's called Zach. I can blow my nose. Whew. This brand is Zach, and I want to say that this, I don't know if this might be Walmart. I don't know, but it says Adventurer on the back. It has a little puppy on the front. How cute is that? It's a little camper coffee mug. And I looked up comps, and I can get probably between $10 and $12, and I paid 75 cents. So I got that, running out of room with all my puppies. And then one more little quick haul from the Goodwill in Janesville. So I didn't get much there either, but I got enough that I thought I would show you. So the color, yesterday was green. So this, I've been eyeing this up and no one's bought it. And I've been there like 3 times and it's always been there. And I thought today was the day because it was half price. So it is a decorative picture, and on the bottom it says quality product of Oriental Accent Incorporated. It is made in China, but I love the color. It's got teacups on it. So if I don't keep it for myself, you know, I could see, you know, some flowers coming out. If I don't keep it for myself, I will put it in my booth probably, but I like that. I love the colors of that. And then I grabbed this cup just because I like this cup because it doesn't sweat, and it was 99 cents. So I grabbed one of those. And oh, this was a good one. I thought this is a planter. It is it's a wall pocket. It's got a deer on it, as you can see. There's no markings on the bottom. I'm thinking it might be a hobbyist piece, but then when I turned it around, it is signed on the back. I haven't done any looking on eBay to see if, you know, what the collectability is of it, but it was $2. It says Caldania on the back. But I just thought it was really, really cool. No chips or cracks, not a chip on it, which I was shocked. Because usually these little pieces get, you know, get banged up quite a bit, but so I got that. And then I have had some luck with belts. So don't discount looking in the belt area. I've bought like a couple of, like I bought a Nike belt. I bought a couple of really nice belts for like, I think they're 99 cents. This one, unless they're marked. So these two, this one was $4.99. Now, I looked up comps. It says Ed Hardy belts. 100% genuine leather, size medium, but it's got a really fun design on it. And I thought, what the heck? So I looked up comps, sure enough. I can get like 20 to 25 bucks for it. So, pretty good profit. Not too shabby. And then I picked up this one. This one was $5 as well. This is a Loft Belt. Has the original tag still on it. Genuine leather. It's that wide with some studs on it. This one is a size large. I'll be able to make probably enough, like again, like 20 bucks for it. Easy to ship. Still very stylish. And what else did I pick up? Oh yeah, I forgot. So I have been wanting to find a bird of happiness. What are these called? No, I'm losing my brain. Bluebird of happiness in the wild, and I found one. And then the first thing you do is always check the beaks. Totally, there's no breakage on the beak. I found one. It was 99 cents, you guys, and it is signed on the bottom. I have Can't see what it is because it's so dirty. I think it says Lee something. 19, let me see if I can clean it up a little bit. 1993. I finally found one, a Bluebird of Happiness in the wild at the Goodwill, 99 cents. I can probably get 15 to 18 maybe for this on eBay. Unless you're interested, let me know. And then I picked up some trim for my project that I'm gonna think about doing. And then I picked up this. So this is a essential oil, what do they call it? It says in the storage box. It's got the brand on it. No, I don't even know what it is, but it has magnets in it. It was 99 cents. I'm thinking I can sell this on eBay for maybe like 10 bucks. I don't know, but I'll see. I didn't look anything up on it, but I thought it was cool. For 99 cents, what the heck, right? And then I just picked up these masks. So I'll throw these in the wash, but I thought these were kind of cute. 3 little star masks. So I'll throw those in the wash. And that was my haul from the week and the weekend. I think I did pretty good. So now the fun part is, see this? I got to do some listing. So I got to get all these puppies cleaned up. I get everything all washed and get things listed. So that's my plan for the week. My plan is to list all of these goodies. If you are interested in anything, let me know. If you're interested, let me know at emailing me at happyvintageshopper@gmail.com, and we will chat. Well, happy Sunday, everyone, and we will see you soon. Happy shopping, everyone. Bye.